Our top story tonight, we continue to track the progress of Hurricane Flozell. The National Weather Service has issued a severe hurricane advisory and is urging everyone to stay indoors for at least the next 36 hours.
No, what happened?
The wind must have knocked the satellite dish loose.
Crap, and I was going to watch G.I. Jose.
Oh, no! You cut your forehead! What do we do?
Hey, kids, if you have an open wound, get some dirt or kitty litter and rub it in there to stop the bleeding. Then get some sleep and wait for the body to heal itself.
Now we know.
And like I always say, remember, you know enough.
G.I. Jose!
Nice.
Brian, what are you doing?
Ah, geez, Stewie. Scared the crap out of me.
What you got there?
Okay, I'll tell you, but you can't tell anyone. You have to be really cool about this.
Yeah, of course.
These are mushrooms. It's a psychedelic drug. Makes you see weird things and feel happy for a few hours. I figure we're going to be stuck inside for a while with a storm, so it'll be a fun way to pass the time.
Okay.
Are you going to be cool?
Oh, yeah, I'm totally cool about that. I have a lot of friends who do it, and they're willing to do it around me all the time because they know I'm so cool about it and I don't judge them. So, go ahead.
Well, here we go.
Yeah, that's what my friends say, too. Well, here we go. Oh, dude, I think I can feel it, too. I'm getting a context high.
I'm bored.
Yeah, this sucks. What are we supposed to do all day?
Well, how about we play charades?
Oh, yeah, okay, me first. Okay, it's a movie, all right? Movie.
Peter, there's no talking in charades.
Okay, sorry. Okay, movie.
Peter!
Sorry. Okay, one word.
Peter, you're still talking.
Okay, right. Fletch.
Is it Fletch?
It is Fletch.
What do you want to do now?
I got an idea. How about you all sit there quietly while I make dad noises? Oh my. Right over the head. I go to the John.